Cloud computing is one of the most important technologies shaping our world today. You interact with it every day, whether you realize it or not. But what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, and networking over the internet with flexible pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying and managing physical hardware, businesses and developers rent what they need from providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. These providers operate massive data centers around the world. When you request a service like a virtual machine or database, it launches in seconds, often in a region closest to you. Think of it like utilities. You don't own the power plant, you just plug in and use electricity. Cloud computing works the same way. Let's look at some real life examples. When you watch a show on Netflix, the movie is streamed to your device through cloud servers hosted by Amazon Web Services. From video delivery to recommendations and billing, it all happens in the cloud. Or think about ChatGPT. When you type a question, your request goes to a huge AI model running in the cloud. That model lives on powerful servers with thousands of GPUs infrastructure that simply doesn't exist on your local device. So how did we get here? In the past, companies had to buy and maintain their own physical servers. It was costly, slow to scale, and often unreliable. If traffic spiked, your systems might crash. If demand dropped, your hardware sat idle. Cloud computing changed that. Now, with just a few clicks, anyone can deploy applications, scale resources up or down, and reach users around the globe, all without touching a server. Let's quickly explore the three major types of cloud services. First, infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, gives users access to raw compute resources like virtual machines, storage, and networking. You manage the operating system and applications. A good example is Amazon EC2. Second, platform as a service or PaaS provides a complete development and deployment environment. You focus on your code, and the platform handles the infrastructure. Examples include Google App Engine and Heroku. Third, software as a service, or SaaS, is software delivered entirely through the web. You don't install or manage anything. Gmail, Zoom, and Salesforce are common examples. So who powers the cloud? The three major providers are Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These companies run global networks of high-performance infrastructure that support everything from startups to government. Now let's talk about AI. Training large AI models like ChatGPT requires thousands of GPUs and petabytes of data. That's impossible to do on a single machine or even in most data centers. The cloud provides the scale and compute power needed to train these models and then make them available to millions of users around the world through APIs. In short, cloud computing is the foundation of modern artificial intelligence. Without it, today's AI tools simply wouldn't exist. So why should this matter to you? Whether you're building an app, launching a startup, working in tech, or just curious, cloud computing gives you the power to create, deploy, and scale ideas faster than ever before. And with AI evolving rapidly, cloud skills are more valuable than ever. To recap, cloud computing delivers computing services over the internet. It eliminates the need for physical infrastructure. It enables businesses to scale, adapt, and innovate quickly. And it powers the AI tools shaping our future. Cloud isn't just a buzzword. It's the backbone of the digital world and the engine behind the next generation of innovation. If you're serious about building anything in tech, start with the cloud